everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the inventory moves analysis in Odoo 19 and understand how to track and analysis the stock movement efficiently. So this is a very useful video for you if you're a business owner to monitor inventory flows and make better decisions. Okay. So this is the dashboard of the inventory module. Moving on to the reporting session, you can see the move analysis. By clicking on there we have move analysis report. Okay. So, what is actually a move analysis? Move analysis in Odoo is actually help you to track product movement in and out of your inventory. And we can say the quantity change over time, source and destination location. In simple terms, we can say it shows how your stock is moving inside your business. So, if you are just opening the move analysis report from the reporting session, there you can see it's actually giving you a pivot table. There we have four different kind of views, which is a pivot. There we have listed, and there we have graph, and there we have Kanban view. So from the pivot table itself, you can find the dates of that particular product movement and how much is the quantity, and this is the delivery order, this is the receipt, and there we have your POS orders as well. And moving on to the measurement side, sorry, not measurement, it's measure side. There you can simply add up different kind of options, like simultaneously you can add the measures by clicking, or if you want to the know about the price unit, you can simply click on there. And if you want to see the demanded one, which is the demanded one, you can simply click on there. Okay, so from here onwards you can find each and every kind of things, and you can use this filter option to uh, get different product. If I'm just clicking on the product session, and you can see which is the most demanded product, and what is the moves analysis of this particular product as well. So now you can see for the symbol pin, we are just got 13 amount of this particular symbol pen, and there we have receipt, which is we got 2, and there you can see that we don't have any kind of deliveries, and under there you can see the total as well. Okay, so moving on to there we have pedal bin, and there we have small shelf unit. So there we have different kind of things. So by calculating or by showing up this move analysis, you can find which are the product that is actually having high demand, which product is actually moving in for in a delivery purpose and a receipt purpose, like which product is actually coming in and coming out. Okay, so basically why this is very important: identify the fast moving and slow moving product, track stock transfers between the warehouses, we can say monitor inventory accuracy and improve the stock planning. So if you are a business person who need to understand what is the move of the product inside your company, you can simply check on the reporting section, and there you can find the move analysis. You can use the filters option to find about any kind of particular category, particular product, and if you want to know about the picking status and everything, you can find it. Okay, so using this filter option, you can see that, and if you want to insert this into a spreadsheet format, you can also do that. Okay, if we are moving on to the listed view, you can also see what is the list, what is the demand of that particular product, the quantity of that particular product. And if you want to see any other things like the value, remaining quantity, remaining value, anything, you can simply add on that option and you can find it. And let's move on to the graph view. There you can see the graphical representation. Okay, so now you can see which is the high demanded product. So there you can see this combination. We have chosen a measure which is demand. Now you can see moving on to the measures. There we have different kind of measures, but under the graphical representation, you can only provide a particular measure. You can't provide any simultaneously different kind of measures, but only one measure. So if you want to see the demand, you can see them. And if you want to see the quantity itself, you can see now also the desk combination is the high quantity. And if you want to see the real quantity, you can find them, the standard price of that particular product, everything is there. Okay, so using that you can use. And there we have bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and there we have under the line chart and bar chart, there we have stacked, and there we have descending and ascending orders. Okay, if I'm moving on to the Kanban view itself, I can see the card typed view of each product. So there we have simple pen, there we have another one, and there we have customized desk, there we have customizable desk, large cabinet, storage box, pedal bin and everything. Okay, so there you can see different kind of views, and there you can see each of the product, and you can see the move analysis of that product by clicking on different views. Okay, so that's how simply you can use the reporting of move analysis very easily. So if you are a business owner, or if you are a manager, or if you are a sales manager or anything, you can find this move analysis inside your inventory module, and you can make a quick decision. Like if your product, any of the product is low demanding, you can simply what you can simply instead of that product, you can order any demanded product inside your company, and you can sell them. So that's how the move analysis is working on your company. So that's all about this video. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial inside inventory module. Till that, bye bye.